Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Afterpay on Fashion Nova. Now the first thing you want to do here is you want to first go to afterpay.com and log in into your account. Now from here, what you need to do is you just need to type into the search section here and just type in Fashion Nova and press on enter. Then you'll see the option that says Fashion Nova here. Just click on it. Now from here, you will be able to use Fashion Nova as you would on your account. So in here, make sure that you actually use Fashion Nova through the Afterpay mobile application here, so that when you actually proceed with the checkout, you'll be able to use Afterpay. So in here, let's just quickly choose our items and proceed on checkout. Now here in the payment section, you should be able to see an option for you to use Afterpay. So I do have to inform you that Afterpay is only available on certain countries. So if Afterpay is not supported in your current country, you will not be able to use Afterpay here. But yeah, so this is where you see Afterpay if Afterpay is actually available on your current country. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.